Hey, how's it going?
I'm good, thanks. Just got back from a hike.
Nice. I've been wanting to go hiking lately. Where did you go?
I went to Red Rock Canyon. It's one of my favorite spots.
That sounds beautiful. I'll have to check it out. What do you like to do in your free time?
I love reading, photography, and trying out new restaurants.
Awesome. I'm a big foodie myself. What's your favorite type of cuisine?
I'd say Italian or Mexican.
Same here. Have you traveled to any exciting places recently?
Actually, I just got back from a trip to New York City.
Wow, that's amazing. What were some of your favorite things you did there?
I loved visiting the Met and trying out all the different foods.
That sounds incredible. If you could travel anywhere in the world right now, where would you go?
That's a tough one. I think I'd choose Japan or Iceland.
Both of those places are on my bucket list too. So, what's the best advice you've ever received?
I'd say it's to always be true to yourself and don't be afraid to take risks.
That's really inspiring. What's the biggest risk you've ever taken?
I'd say it was switching majors in college. It was scary, but it ended up being the best decision for me.
That's really brave. What are your plans after graduation?
I'm hoping to start my own business or work for a startup.
That sounds exciting. What kind of business would you want to start?
I'm not entirely sure yet, but I'm interested in sustainable fashion and environmentalism.
That's really cool. I've been trying to be more sustainable myself. Do you have any tips?
Yeah, I'd say start small. Begin with making a few changes in your daily life, like using reusable bags or water bottles.
That's great advice. Thanks for chatting with me today.
No problem. Thanks for having me.